He never saw it coming. One moment, Joseph was wearing the robe his father gave him, threads soaked in love, favor, and dreams. The next, he was on the ground, gasping, stripped, thrown into darkness by the very brothers who were supposed to protect him. Silence, no voices, no rescue, no explanation. Just cold dirt and the sound of betrayal echoing above. You ever been there? Not in a literal pit, but in a moment where the bottom drops out and people you trusted leave you with nothing but breath and questions? Joseph wasn't just thrown into a hole, he was dropped into a new identity. Everything he thought he was shifted. And the worst part, God didn't say a word. No booming voice, no miracle escape. Just a boy alone with nothing but the memory of a dream. That's the part we skip. We like the palace part when he becomes second in command. We quote, "What you meant for evil, God meant for good," like it's easy. But this right here, this is where the real transformation happens. Not when he's in power, but when he has nothing. It's in the pit where you decide if the dream is real, if your faith is real, if you can still believe when the robe is gone, the crowd is gone, and all you have is God. And let's be real, some of you are in it right now. You're staring at the walls of a pit someone else put you in, or maybe you slipped in yourself. Either way, you feel stuck, forgotten, misunderstood. But here's what Joseph didn't know in that moment. God wasn't just watching, he was working, planning, positioning, because what looked like an end was the start of everything. So before you curse the pit, pause. Before you give up, breathe. Because pits don't cancel purpose. They shape it, refine it, break off everything that can't go with you to the next level. The dream isn't dead, it's just underground, waiting to rise. Keep listening, we're not done yet.